Okay, so now, Danny and Beverly, I want to talk with you about your boat. So you're doing the maintenance coats nice and early. No, I shouldn't say early. It's not early. You're on time. You know, this is a rather old finish. It's starting to dull a little bit compared. Although that says well, it's still pretty shiny. It is still pretty shiny, but it's starting to dull a little bit. The We got some dings up here that we will take care of. We may on this one. This one's pretty doggone deep, so we may just put a bung, like we had a screw in here. We may just put a bung right here, and we have a bung here, so we may do another bung right above it, right here, and hide those dings that way. Of course, this will sand off. This looks like plastic. That'll sand out, and we'll do the maintenance coats. That'll get covered up. I believe we've got some repairs up here that have been done. We'll get those. We've got a good bit of scratch, and looks like that came from the side of a dock right here. So there's a good bit of scratch in here. We'll do our best to work those out with the maintenance coats, and yep. So we can get most all of that. Now back here, you see this, what looks like spider webs almost that have been laid down onto the deck. That's called crazing, and that is failure of the varnish. So back here, I'm going to need to strip and refinish this back deck, along with, you'll see the same thing on the transom, and that's just from the sunshine that it's getting while the sunlight that it's getting while the door's open to the boathouse. The looks like we backed into something right here some time ago, and we'll see if we can't. Well, when we strip and refinish, we'll be able to repair that. Should be able to make that nearly go away. But the transom, yeah, it looks like we've got a transom strap to polish. It's gotten into something. Scratched the transom strap in these spots. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see scratch the transom strap in those spots. Looks like it left some iron, some ferrous metal in the stainless, and that ferrous metal has rusted. But anyway, so the strip and refinish will take care of that, and then we'll get these repaired and back on. Let's see. I will probably strip and refinish up to here. I don't see the crazing forward of that. I see so we'll make the joint underneath the step pad, and of course a lot of this is just road dust that you're seeing on top. All right, and then of course we want to do an interior. I'll send you another. We can do the green. I know that Beverly prefers the green. We can do this exactly like this, just with new materials. This is not an original. This has been this band. This boat would not have originally have had a band in it. The upholstery was very utilitarian when it was original. This has been it's been upgraded significantly. It's pretty nice, and I know you're not concerned about originality that much, or at least I don't believe you are. straighten me out if I'm wrong about that. But we can do it essentially exactly like this, or we could do it more like it was originally. Same story with the front seats. All right, and this is not the original blue. Well, it could be the original blue. It could be very close to it anyway. You can see that the seat backs, they were just pulled around. The material was just pulled around and stapled on the edge here. And so that's what an original seat back would look like. Same sort of thing up here. This was just pulled around. There was no band sewn into the sides. So now that I've mentioned the band and I've shown you this, I'll go back and show it to you again on the on your boat. So the question will be, do you want to get it closer to original, or do you want to like this, or do you want to just basically copy what you had, just with new material? The joint, I believe Danny showed the joint on the seat has separated, and so we can reinforce those. This is on all of these boats. This is an inherent problem. You see where we made repairs in the past on yours, and I believe I can show you on this one. It's probably wiggling also. Yeah, not bad. It didn't wiggle bad, but it has been repaired, I can tell that. And then I have yet another boat in here that has the same problem. This one's this one's broken apart as well. We're doing a full strip and refinish on that boat. And I have yet another U-22 back here that has the same problem. So we'll do our best. We made some substantial improvements to it when we did the strip and refinish on your boat years ago. But it still is tough. And as you can see, this one, this one broke there. We've never worked on this boat before, so we've never repaired this on this boat before. But I will try to figure out some way in stealth mode, so you can't see it, of correcting that. And here's the seat back from this boat, and you can get an idea maybe of how many times that's been repaired. Anyhow, inherent problem, and we'll see what we can do to improve it further than we did last time. Let's see, what else can I tell you on your boat? I think that's it. Just wanted to fill you in on those things for your project. And then, so when you see the estimates, all of this stuff should click, should make sense to you, and we'll go from there. Talk to you soon.